it's Wolfbro here, and in today's episode, we are going to be looking at chickens! And the dog really likes the chickens. He's just staring at them, or he just, Blue. Blue, no. Anyways, we are going to, just feed the chickens. They like leaves. Look, he just took the entire thing. Again. There's my chicken right there. Raised them from chicks. Ah, they got me. Sweet pea. Yeah, she likes the leaves as well. And feed them grass as well. Chickens are there, food right there, and we're just collecting a lot of grass for them. They also like to eat moss. And the dog, he's really interested in chickens. Yeah, he's over there. And we have them feeding. He's a good boy. And the chickens are doing something. I think some of them are in there. Maybe not. Staring at the camera. Okay. I think he's starting to drool. Is he drooling? Oh wait, sorry. I'll show you again. I don't think he's drooling. Maybe he is. No, he's not. Anyways, he's probably wanting to eat them. But anyways, everybody. Oh God. And be right back, everybody. Help me. Look at he's getting me. Get up. He's getting me. God, everybody, he got me on the ground. He's standing on me. He's standing on me. Yeah. Hang on. chickens right here. Yeah, me and him are hugging. Anyways, this is what he looks like. He's black and white, and he's really interested in the chickens. He's eyeing down the chickens. Just gonna move him. Alright, everyone. This is the end of the video, so see you guys later. And it's been WolfBro, so see you guys. Hopefully you guys had a good day, and we will be posting every weekend. And subscribe and hit that big notification bell and subscribe and hit the like and stay frosty, everyone. Goodbye.